Welcome to Sims. This is Santhi ma'am. Today I am going to make you to learn how to draw Wheel of Theodorus. Wheel of Theodorus. Theodorus invented one method to find the square root values or number to represent square root values or number line up to root 7. It is very easy to learn. Children, observe this properly. You have to draw a line like this. How to mark these all values I am going to show now. All of you observe properly. It is easy and interesting topic. It is an activity given in your class, either in CBSE or ICSE they have given. So as usual, you can mark the values of, I told before only, I am taking 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeters. The scale is 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeters I am taking. So markings I am giving here 2 centimeters I am taking as 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeters. How much you want to take, you can take, children. But in my sum I am taking this one as 0, minus 1, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Why I am taking all these values? You know, root 17 means it is more than root 16 value. Root 16 is 4. So more than 4 we have to take. It is very easy. I told first only na. I am taking, already in my previous video I explained how to draw this one. I am using set square only mainly. It is easy to draw with set square, children. You see, one more set square I will take. 45, 90, 90. At 0 degrees to 1 I am taking 1 unit. You observe properly. Draw this one. Now join this. This is what root 2 units. Again you take this one. See how wheel is going. Here it is a base. Now root 2 is base. You measure the length up to 2 units. Draw a line. No need to take help of any set square, protractor or anything. You can draw a line. I am using pencil. Afterwards you can use with colorful wheel also. You will get if you will join with sketches and all different color of sketches. You can see the beautiful wheel. The beauty of the wheel you can see. Now you take base as this one. This is what root 3. You take base as this one and put set square 90 degrees to draw perpendicular. How many units I told? 2 units. 2 centimeters. 1 unit equal to 2 centimeters you take and draw line. Join with this 90 degrees. These are 90 degrees. This is a root 4 value. First this is root 3. Next what I am drawing, that is what? Root 4. This is root 4. Again make root 4 as base. Again root 4 as base. You put scale like this on the line. Put set square. See that exactly at the corner, at the vertex you have to put and draw line. Now we join this one. Next one is what? Root 5. Next one is what? Root 5. Now you make root 5 is a base. Root 5 is base. And draw one more line. See, up to 2. This is perpendicular. For that, join with another color. Okay, this is what? Root 5, root 6. These are 1 units only, children. What we have drawn on the previous case. You can draw up to root 17 for this Theodorus wheel. All of you try and do. I did only up to root 7. You can do why I am drawing these all. I will show how to mark that values of roots on this. Remaining you can complete this. It is very easy to draw. Don't worry, don't fear. I am here. Number of times I told. Okay, here also you join this. Oh, these are the perpendiculars. These are perpendiculars. Why I am drawing all these? Now you can understand how to measure this length. It is easy. Now it is easy. Now this is what O0 is the center. Take compass and measure the value of this one. I didn't complete it, children. You can complete. I did up to root 7 only. You can do up to, this wheel is derived up to root 17 only. Other than this you can't do. So that means it will close like a nail. You will get snail you will say, na? Yeah, this is root 2 because I have taken double value, na? 1 centimeter, 1 unit equal 2 centimeter. See, this is root 3. Next you take, this is root 4. Next you see, this is root 5. And next you take the measure of this one. A number line, what you will get? Root 6. This is also one way to represent the number line. One way to represent values of irrational numbers or number line. This is root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, root 6 and root 7 and so on. You can get, for this wheel up to root 17 only you will get, children, remember. So with this I am completing my explanation. Okay, children, bye.